Hi guys, today we're gonna talk about something new or a new subject. I'm gonna talk about the machine learning. I'm gonna talk about something is so now common sense in these days. It's common use in this modern life. About machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a science of making computer learn and act like a human. Like how we do when you use is working like artificial intelligence. How I make the computer will be me smarten and act like a human to make the life more easy through the machine learning. When I feeding a data and information to the machine, let's imagine ourselves, we are as a human, how we act. We need to eat some food to be able to have energy to be able to act. Now the computer as well the same is to be able to be act more smarter is need to feeding the computer more data to be able to be act smart. But how we do that? Through the something called machine learning. So I'm gonna do some introduction. I'm gonna talk about some introduction about machine learning to learn more about deep about this is important subject. Machine learning is application of artificial intelligence. It provides a system the ability to automatically learn and improve experience. So sometimes I have these data. From these data I will be feed the computer to be learn to be act more smarter and better. The machine learning focuses on developing of computer program which can be access the data and learn it, and through these data learn it, it's going to be act. It's same the actor when you stand up to act for specific film is needed to feed these to know the data, need to practice and to do that to acting front of people. Is the same thing. I need to learn my computer some to feed the data, learn them the data and be able to act. But how this has happen in 8 stages. The first stage, I need to define the object. What type of object I need to use. The second stage, I need to collect the data. Third stage, I need to prepare the data. So collected the data, which data I need that my computer will learn it and be acting to be acting smartly. Like for example, if I want to know I want to make my computer to be estimated my selling point if be good or not, then I need to use my previous data the selling point. Then I need to feed it the computer and he be well learning and he be do it and acting. Then I need to prepare the data. I need to select a correct algorithms. Machine learning, it has many algorithms. For each algorithms is going to be applied for specific a problem or specific thing I need to learn. Then it's going to be deal with it and piece a solution. The fifth step, train the model. After use the algorithm, through the algorithm I can train the model, I can test it, then I can predict the data and finally reach to the stage 8 to deploy it. So it's important to prepare algorithm, to select algorithm, to train algorithm and to test algorithm. But what is the machine learning algorithms? The machine learning algorithms, there is 2 types of algorithms. This have got supervised, unsupervised, and we have reinforcement. We have 3 algorithms: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Or come like deep learning. Now we come to the supervised. What mean by supervised algorithm? Supervised algorithm is machine learning mean how to supervised learning method used by enable machine to classify the predict object and problem or situation. So when we have a specific problems or specific situations and we need for specific data, we need to put the solution for these situations or problem, then we call supervised because my data should be labeled. For example, if I have got this labeled, I have circle, square and triangle. The computer has many circles, many squares, many triangles for many different shapes. But how this computer will understand to figure out between these three things. I need first of all to learn my computer or my system that I have three important data, three shapes. I have circle, square and triangle. Then after that I have to, after I model the training, predicted the training, now my computer will figure out what the shape look like the circle, what shape look like the square, what the shape look like a triangle, and try to know what is square and what is circle, because he predicted and he'll learning. And because it's labeled, that's called supervised learning. Supervised learning could be classification or could be regression, and this is one. Classification and regressions, we will know it in the coming videos. Now we come to the second algorithms called unsupervised algorithms. And so unsupervised, it means the algorithms training which be unlabeled. So when I have data, but this data unlabeled for computer, but the computer will be able to figure out that. For example, if I have many data and I want to know which one the most area have the data in most area have it, I don't have a labeled. Or if I have many, for example, many selling point, and I want to know which one the highest selling point, I don't have the labeled exactly the product that I sell. So that's called unsupervised learning, because it's come with two parts, clustering and association. Clustering, the method of divided the object into cluster which be similar between them, so the different areas, and see which one they have got the highest. Or association is discovering the probability. For example, if I want to know tomorrow whether it's going to be raining or it's going to be sunny, even I have two labels, but I don't have in the general as the label, so that will come probability that happen or not happen. That's called unsupervised. Or if I want to know what the customer will be like to buy next month, so that is not labeled, so they come with the probability. That's come with unsupervised. That will become more deeper in the next videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.